Medieval Easy Art History. We return to medieval times. Imagine a world of magnificent castles, brave knights, wise kings and queens, beautiful maidens, fierce dragons, and mythical creatures. A place of great kingdoms and bold adventures. Knights. Knights were major people in medieval art, often shown in armor with swords and fighting in heroic battles. They were presented as brave and chivalrous defenders of the realm, protecting kings and kingdoms from bad guys and mythical creatures, like superheroes in metal armor. Knights also protected and sometimes fell in love with damsels in distress. Medieval artwork shows that the knights always standing up for what's right in a world full of adventures and challenges. Medieval art showcased how brave, loyal, and honorable the knights were through detailed illustrations in manuscripts, tapestries, and paintings. Here's some knight inspiration. Medieval royalty. In medieval times, royalty lived, including princes, princesses, kings, and queens. They had power and influence over society. Artists used to draw amazing pictures of them in their fancy clothes and beautiful castles to show their importance. These pictures help us understand what life was like back then and what people thought about royalty. Medieval artwork like engravings, paintings, woven tapestries, and even stained glass windows. Here's some inspiration. Queens. Kings. Kings. In medieval times, family crests were like special symbols representing different families. These crests were often displayed on shields, banners, and even clothing. Each crest had a unique design and color, and it usually included animals, plants, or other objects that had special meaning to the family. Family name crest design. Family crests were important because they helped people recognize which family someone belonged to, kind of like how we use last names today. It was a way for people to show pride in their family and to make sure others knew who they were. Crests were also seen on castles and shields knights took into battle. Let's look at some shield shape designs. Shield details. Shield border details. And animal ideas for your shield. This is Bold Soul Whimsy. Please like and subscribe.